Be ready. Start. The finance minister have hardly any difference to the circumstances that we have done in an eyewash that we are cheating somebody, that the prime minister stop. When I move that receive kindly that sections of the workers stop, neither that mill owners nor the government thought of the consumer stop, but now to speak that the name of the ordinary by the consumer stop. Now let us come in the attitude of the government with regard to this statement have appeared from the government from time to time that purporting to project that the interest of the workers stop. After an exhaustive speech that the Minister of Labour stop, I have been greatly concerned to the discontent in the annexures that state of tension which has existed in the relationship between the party stop. It has category of bank to the employees and who lower that the trouble and expressed during all these litigation if any bank is really going to suffer stop. Mr. Chairman, sir, as the Honorable Prime Minister have pointed out in this Honorable Bill that history stop. It is that accepted any material by a patent inquiry committee within bracket PEC was appointed which was lapsed stop stanza. Honorable members would recall that institution has sanctioned by the Prime Minister that aware in the requisite in the available that counter stop. It has been brought to my notice at the resources that the payment in the burden by onerous in the amount mitigating by the Prime Minister stop. It is duplicate in the prescribed form stop. I am directing that the Income Tax Department Jaipur to give that provision to make stop. It does not matter whether the total in the high position that the problem in the municipality that essential stop. It is suitable that the point of view of the municipal committee Delhi, Tamil Nadu because of various circumstances and the properties by the position stop. Sir, the position today in regard to the handlooms all over it has changed. I am only doing my cabinet what is duty as a member of parliament in the cabinet minister which has been put in power by the Congress party Delhi, that if there is any item to the 100 of item which is the Commerce and Industry Ministry is responsible, for which I hope devote to the personal attention stop. I should say it is the handloom industry. Sir, my honorable minister colleague have hardly any difference of opinion stop.